Captain Ricardo Emanuel, a seasoned Jamaican seafarer, had spent his life navigating the Caribbean's azure waters. But nothing could have prepared him for the night his ship, the starbound Voyager, magically drifted into a celestial space. It was a calm evening when a strange pulsating light appeared on the horizon. Ricardo, ever curious, ordered his crew to prepare for investigation. As they approached, the light intensified, revealing a shimmering portal hovering above the water like a glowing whirlpool. Before anyone could react, the Voyager was caressed by the vortex. Suddenly, the ship emerged in a distant galaxy, orbiting a luminous planet with swirling rings. Ricardo took the helm, his Jamaican roots grounding him. His calm confidence and respect for the sea now extended to this alien ocean of stars. The crew marveled at the alien skies, but Ricardo knew they couldn't stay long. They had to find a way back home. Exploring the planet's surface, they discovered advanced alien technology peeking beneath the sands, remnants of an ancient civilization. As Ricardo studied the artifacts, he realized the portal was a gateway, but it needed a specific energy signature to reopen. Using his knowledge of navigation and his intuition, Ricardo calibrated the ship's core to match the alien energy. With a surge of light, the portal reactivated. As the starbound Voyager asterisk was pulled back through the cosmic rift, Ricardo looked back at the strange world, knowing he had just touched the edge of the universe's mysteries. Back in Caribbean waters, Ricardo stood on deck, gazing at the stars. Though he was home, he carried the secrets of that distant galaxy within him, a reminder that even for a seasoned sea captain, the universe was always there, filled with adventures ready to explore.